Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine. New Thomas Toy Hunt. It's a good day to be a mini because look at all these cool toys we have for them. The mini on the losing end of the track will fall into the forest, and you'll have to help them find their new toy, which will be opened in a new Choo Choo Channel episode soon. Let's get started with Yellow RHENEAS versus Steven.
I was told that we'd get a new toy. I don't see one around here. Does anyone see a new toy here in the forest? Wait a minute. That doesn't look normal over there. Let's go investigate. It's new minis! There's 3 of them! Oh boy! Well, I can't wait to get a closer look! Look! It's a new mini! It's Blackberry Charlie and Monkey Percy and Diesel!
Next up, Charlie versus Diesel.
Roar! I'm gonna hunt down these toys! Where are you, toys? I'm gonna find you! I'm gonna prowl around here until I see them! Where could they be? Where could they be? Roar! I see them! Oh! What could they be? Oh! It's new light-up minis! Those are so cool! I love those! I wish I was a light-up mini! It just makes me so angry that I'm not! Oh! It's Flynn! And is that Belle? Oh, that's so neat! Look at them go! Oh, they light up and flash and have all kinds of different modes. That's amazing!
And now, Toby versus Flora.
It's so relaxing in the forest. But I was told we'd get a toy. I don't see a toy anywhere in here. Where would I ever find a toy? I'm afraid maybe a bear got to my toy already. Wait, look at that swing! And there's something on the swing! What could it be? New mini friends! I wonder who they are. I like the swing too. I hope you don't mind if I join you for a ride. You want to meet my new mini friends I found? It's Dragon Spencer and Robot Toby and Neon Splatter Thomas! That is so awesome! But you know what? Everybody knows there's no better Thomas mini than Golden Thomas! You can't beat gold!
Finishing up the quarterfinals with Rosie versus Diesel 10.
Oh no! Where am I? I'm in a fire pit! Oh! There's the toys! Oh no! I hope nobody starts a fire with both of us in here! That would be awful because those are really cool light-up minis! Who's that? Percy? Bill? Or is that Ben? I can never tell them apart! Oh! They're amazing! Hey guys! We're in a fire pit! What should we do? I don't know how to get out of here! Oh good! Here comes Gavin's dad! He's gonna help us, aren't you? You're gonna rescue us! Don't just turn them on! Lift us out of here!
We started with 8 engines and we're down to the final 4. Semi-finals time. Yellow RHENEAS versus Diesel.
Ooh, pine needles make for a soft landing. I was afraid I was gonna hit that rock. Alright, where are you at, new toy? Oh, maybe it's down the yellow brick road here. I don't see anything. Wait a minute. Check it out. I don't see just one new toy. I see 2. It's time to investigate. So behind me here, you'll notice 3 new minis, including Neon Splatter Percy. But on the other side over here, we have 5, count 'em 5, glow-in-the-dark new minis! That's right, Hero, Scruff, Gordon, Spencer, and Birdie! I can't wait to see him glow in the dark!
Yellow RHENEAS goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Toby or Diesel 10?
New toy for Joker Diesel 10. I wonder what it'll be. Well, first I gotta find it. I don't see anything. Just a bunch of dirt. I don't even see trees. There's some. Still don't see a toy. Oh, toy. Where are you? Come on, hurry up. I don't have this kind of patience. Wait, there you are. That looks pretty big. I don't see any minis, but I see something else. It's Trackmaster Turbo Percy. It says you can go 2 times faster than other Trackmaster engines. He must go fast. They put a visor on him to protect his eyes. Now listen, you and I need to talk. You know how bank robbers have a getaway car? I need you to be my getaway engine. You know, just in case I get into some trouble and I'm trying to get away from Batman. You're just the guy I need.
Final round, Yellow RHENEAS versus Toby.
Oh boy, I'm really excited to see what toy I get. Well, I don't know if I get it, but I at least get to look at it, maybe play with it for a little bit. I can't even find it. Look at this forest. It's so huge. How am I ever gonna find anything here? Do you kids at home see it? I can't find it anywhere. Where? You guys see it? Where? Oh, behind those tree branches. You're right. You kids have good eyes. Oh, what is it? Whatever could it be? Oh, I see Harold. Hey, Harold. And minis. Oh, wow. It's the Motorized Rescue Stunt set. Oh, I've heard about this set. It's so fun for minis to play on. I can't wait to get on this thing. This is going to be amazing. It's built just for minis like me. Look how much fun that is. 3 action-packed rescue ramps. Oh, this is like my dream toy. Oh, when is Gavin going to open this? I can't wait to see them open this. This is going to be amazing. I just know it.
Yellow RHENEAS is the winner. Congratulations! You win the new Hyper Glow Station!
I've been wanting this toy for such a long time. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's actually happening. It says that Thomas's light makes the tracks glow. I can't wait to see it. Great job, Yellow RHENEAS. I'm so happy.
We'll be unboxing these toys in future episodes very soon, so be sure to click subscribe. Thanks for watching! Which of these toys was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Bye!